Embark with us on a journey into the heart of ancient Greece, where secrets lie concealed in the depths of hidden caves. Today, we unveil the enigmatic story of strange statues found in the caves, a testament to the artistic treasures that Greece has hidden away for centuries. In the cradle of civilization, Greece holds more than just history. It cradles incredible lost works of art. These statues, concealed within the dark recesses of ancient caves, emerge as silent witnesses to the artistic legacy that has shaped the very soul of this extraordinary nation. As we delve into the annals of time, the mysterious connection between these statues and the caves deepens. Each sculpture, with its timeless beauty, becomes a bridge to the past. A past where artistry and cultural richness intertwine to form the very fabric of Greek history. Behold the breathtaking beauty etched into these cave wonders. The craftsmanship speaks of an era when sculptors carved stories into stone, capturing the essence of Greek culture. These statues, hidden in plain sight, are not merely beautiful. They are invaluable treasures, preserving the echoes of an ancient artistic tradition. In just over a minute, we touch upon the allure and value of these strange statues found in the caves of ancient Greece. Join us in this exploration of the hidden gems that Greece safeguards within its rocky embrace, where beauty and history entwine in a dance that transcends time. As we conclude this journey, let these statues spark a conversation about the untold stories that lie within the caves of ancient Greece. Subscribe for more insights into the incredible world of lost works and the cultural treasures that make our past come alive. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and savor the wonders that make our world extraordinary.